Hi everyone, this is Vishal from India and I'm with this beautiful lady. Okay, what's your name?
I'm Norgal.
Okay, I'm filming also for my YouTube channel also.
Yeah,
okay,
maybe.
So here I have been in this beautiful Russian apartment where lots of beautiful Kazakhstan boys. You are from Kazakh?
Yeah, of course.
Local, you?
Of course.
You are from also, yeah. Such a beautiful country, and I took the taste of the horse flesh with this beautiful lady, and so tasty. Thank you for the offering.
Yeah.
And you guys are so good. So I have
Did you
found.
taste Bishpermat? Did you taste Bishpermat?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay,
Such
cool.
amazing.
Yeah.
Such amazing. And one thing I must say that people over here are so helpful. Maximum people, they are not speaking English, but in
yeah.
spite of that, they're helping a lot. They're opening the translator, they're opening everything and doing so good. And
Okay.
good looking. See, handsome boy. Beautiful girl. Okay, everyone, they are very good. Thank you everyone.
I appreciate it.
তো দেখো তুমি সোলো ট্রিপ যখন করবে একা আসবে। এখানে দেব ভাই কি করছে? দেব ভাই রান্না করছে। সোলো ট্রিপ আমরা করতে একা আসি, কিন্তু কত ভালো ভালো বন্ধু হয়ে যায় আমাদের, রাইট?